SafeAuto.
You know, SafeAuto has changed the way they do business. So, to represent the new them, they have brought in a new national spokesman. Wait, I'm him. I thought it was the comic relief. Huh. So, get to know the new SafeAuto. Call today for a better rate on state minimum coverage while I review my contract.
1-800-SAFE-AUTO. Drive safe, spend less.
Spokesman? Where does it say spokesman?
SafeAuto.
As a celebrity spokesman, I'm required to exhibit charming yet eccentric behavior. So, instead of a big fat Hollywood salary, I've demanded that SafeAuto pay me, and you guessed it, animal pelts. That means you can still count on SafeAuto to deliver state minimum coverage you can actually afford, and you can count on me to deliver endearing oddball celebrity behavior.
1-800-SAFE-AUTO. Drive safe, spend less.
Badger.
SafeAuto Norm.
Hi, welcome to my fake house. Pretty convincing, huh? Right down to my overbearing pretend wife in the kitchen.
You better hold it down out there, sweet pants.
Yeah, it turns out you can fake just about anything, except car insurance. So if you need affordable state minimum coverage, call SafeAuto for the real thing. Just talk quietly so you don't disturb you-know-who.
1-800-SAFE-AUTO. Drive safe, spend less.
Interesting paradox. Just as you and I are warned not to text and drive, Amish buggy drivers are warned not to churn butter and drive. Want a good deal on state minimum coverage? Only SafeAuto has fair shake pricing, not to mention a world-class spokesman with excellent penmanship.
1-800-SAFE-AUTO. Drive safe, spend less.
The guy who came up with the beaded seat cover made millions of dollars, but he fell flat on his face with his follow-up, the beaded toilet seat. After the automatic transmission was patented in 1922, drivers finally had a free hand with which to communicate with other drivers. Long before texting and driving was a danger to the public, drivers were warned about something even more frightening: hitchhikers. Call SafeAuto right now for a free quote on state minimum coverage, and I'll answer the phone with a hilarious Swedish accent. Not really, I'm not going to do that.
1-800-SAFE-AUTO. Drive safe, spend less.
Little known fact, toll booth attendants aren't actually collecting tolls, they just need change to do their laundry. Do you know why the internet was created? So smart drivers can log on and get a free quote from SafeAuto. And so we can see kiddies playing the piano. Look at those rascals.
1-800-SAFE-AUTO. Drive safe, spend less.
Interesting fact, 9 out of 10 drivers prefer an automatic transmission to a manual. Another interesting fact, 9 out of 10 drivers are incredibly lazy. You know what inspired the creation of the modern-day navigation system? America's inability to fold a road map.
SafeAuto.
A funny thing happened to my neighbor on his way to work. This. Note to self, seek revenge. Luckily, though, my neighbor has affordable minimum coverage from SafeAuto, which means for not a lot of money, he can protect himself from his own mistakes, even doozies like this one. So call SafeAuto right now for some protection of your own. While I have my house condemned.
1-800-SAFE-AUTO. Drive safe, spend less.
You know that new car smell everyone is always talking about? 9 times out of 10, it is superior to the old car smell. If you think we're trying to scare you into buying car insurance by showing you over-the-top scenarios like this one, then you're right. Call now.
1-800-SAFE-AUTO. Drive safe, spend less.
Safe Auto.
Why is it snowing in my fake house? Simple. To illustrate the unpredictable nature of winter weather. Good God! You see what I'm talking about? So call SafeAuto today for affordable state minimum coverage. That way, when things get slippery, you can take comfort in the knowledge that you're covered. Let me ask you something, fella. Is that tuxedo rented?
1-800-SAFE-AUTO. Drive safe, spend less.
Listen, you guys want a breath mint because it's a little fishy. And now, a bit of advice from me to the owners of self-serve gas stations. Get off your ass and pump some gas. Interesting fact, the U-turn was invented after the T-turn and directly before the V-turn. How does SafeAuto keep its rates so low? Well, instead of hiring the real Norm Macdonald, they hired me, Norm's twin brother, Vic Macdonald. Call now.
1-800-SAFE-AUTO. Drive safe, spend less.
You know the vanity mirrors inside the sun visor of your car? Well, in order to use them, the law requires that you must actually be vain.
Norm for Safe Auto.
I would choose Tiger Woods because he's the greatest of all time. I would choose Rory McIlroy because he's the greatest golfer alive. And I would choose Arnold Palmer because maybe I could beat him.